I'll tell you, some of the stuff I really love when I come to these larger ham fests is check out some of this gear. I mean, look at this. They got this whole mobile command post here with an antenna and everything. I just think that's so cool how they do that. Shelby County Amateur Emergency Services. And it's probably hard for y'all to see it, but if you look, it's just littered with small antennas as well as that big antenna pole. And come on down here, there's another one. This one's even cooler. This is like a camper, one of those off-road campers. But look at this. All right, another large array up there. And kind of like I think Apache used to make something like this, but they've been out of business for 100 years. But this thing is, you can just see inside here, it's got like a little bit of everything going on in there, so really cool. And right here, Mobile Ham Shack, Studio B, Micro Lab, radio test, AM stereo, FM stereo broadcast. And there you go. 660 hi-fi AM stereo. That's awesome. See Martin in the morning. I'm gonna have to check this out for sure. Live cam SSTV. That's just too cool. And a couple of great HF antennas here. I've seen these before. I just kind of curious about that. Maybe I'll look into one of those someday. Pretty cool, huh? All right, here's another one. A repurposed TV transmitter, like mobile television setup. The Lost Nation Radio looks like KL1P or KI1P. KI1P, man. Look at this thing. And I don't want to go up and bug these guys, but they got quite a setup in there. And then there's that Overland. Yeah, these Tacomas are nice, but I kind of prefer the first generation Tundras and the T100s over this generation. Hey, the Tacoma just got bloated, but that's something for the other channel to discuss. Anyway, this thing, nice sleeping area up top, and you can see it's got all kinds of stuff stacked up on there. Raceable antenna mast. Really nice, really nice. All right, lastly, this was my neighbor at Orlando Hamcation. This is quite a setup here. He was parked right behind us, so he gets around and be all the way up here from Florida. Then again, I guess I get around if I'm all the way up here from Florida. But he's got a movable stacked beam antenna there, and inside here, and again, I don't want to bug these guys, but 6 meter, 1 kilowatt amp there, and he's talking all over the world. It's a little hard for you all to see that, but WB8LYJ is his call sign, and he sleeps in this thing. Look at it, the hookups out here, and he stays in this. So he's got a little cot over here, and you can see how he's just got the perfect little setup, little porta potty there. He is all set, my friends, all set. Pretty awesome, huh? Well, that's it for like the mobile ham radio setups, although there's so many more. They're just, vans converted over, smaller clubs, things like that. I'm impressed with all of them and inspired to do something like this myself. Pretty cool. Till next time, my friends, take care.